Hi everyone, so this is my final parting blog, and this one is a light-hearted one about Yemeni culture, or at least the little that I've been able to learn about Yemeni culture over the last year. The first thing to say is that there is such a rich history and culture in Yemen that it would take a whole lifetime for someone like me to learn all about it. So just one of the few things I've been able to learn about is food, or at least some bits of food. Dishes that I have really enjoyed include solta, harish, asid and binta sahan, and just to balance it out, as all of those comes from the north, then down from the south, there is of course mandi, mudbi and haris. All of those things I have enjoyed with various Yemeni friends over the time. But today I'm going to cook something that is, I think, universal throughout the whole of the country. And not only is it universal, it tastes very nice and it's very easy to make. And it's called fattah, or sushi, sometimes in Sana'a. So it's very easy. All you need to do is have bread or khubz. You need eggs. You need some milk. You need butter. And then you need salt. And then finally, the important bit of habba soda, or kodda, I think it might be called somewhere in Sana'a. The most important thing though, of course, is this fella here, which you need, which is harada, or indeed madra, or makla, depending on where you come from inside Yemen. So, let's get going. Here we go. Yeah? Okay. So, this blog has just been to have a bit of fun and just to show what I hope is my connection to Yemen and what I've been able to do over the course of this last year. It's, of course, a matter of great sadness that I was not able to be inside Yemen during this time. But just like countless Brits before me, I have lost my heart to Yemen. I've made an awful lot of tremendous friends there. My grandfather visited Aden, my father's visited Aden. Luckily for me, before I was ambassador, I visited Sana'a a few times. But I really hope that one day I'll have a chance to go back and eat sus with friends in Sana'a
and enjoy the richness of Yemeni culture. So really, it just remains for me to say thank you very much indeed to all of my Yemeni friends, everybody that I've met, as well as countless people that I've not met as well. It's been a tremendous experience. I wish you all well, and I'll see you one day in Sanaa. Thank you.